Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin with immediate, high-impact checks. First, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi adapter is enabled in Settings or via a physical switch. Turning it off and on forces hardware reinitialization. Once done, reboot both the router and the laptop and wait about 60 to 90 seconds so firmware and DHCP renew. Then intentionally pick the correct SSID and re-enter the password, noting if you need to. 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Next, dive into software fixes that resolve most mid-level issues. Run the operating system's network troubleshooter to capture errors. This often points to broken profiles or DNS problems. Then open Device Manager and update or reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. Use the laptop maker's driver when possible because generic drivers can misbehave. If connectivity persists, reset TCP/IP and flush DNS using netch and ipconfig commands. These clear routing. To finish, tackle advanced causes and validate the fix. Inspect router DHCP scope, update router firmware, and switch wireless channels if neighboring networks crowd yours. This reduces interference. If problems remain, test with a USB Wi-Fi adapter or mobile tether. This tells you whether the laptop's radio is faulty versus the ISP. Finally, only as a last resort, perform a factory reset of network settings on the laptop after backing up saved networks and passwords so you can rebuild a clean, working configuration.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.